Today we're going to discuss the user options on a Braeburn touchscreen thermostat. This particular thermostat is a model 6300, which can handle systems up to 4 heat 2 cool heat pump or 3 heat 2 cool conventional. Now the user options are simple options that can be configured by the homeowner at any time. To do that, you simply hold the config touchpad for 1 second to enter the user options menu. You'll be displayed with the first user option, which is your service filter reminder. Using the speed bar up or down, you can select a number of days before that reminder will appear, from 30 days up till 365 days. If you don't want to use this reminder, simply leave it at the default, which is off. Next, you have a UV lamp service reminder. You can select 180 days or 365 days if your system is equipped with UV lamps. Next, you have a humidifier pad service reminder. If you have a humidifier, you can set a reminder of 180 days or 365 days before servicing that humidifier pad. Next, you have long and 24-hour hold modes. Now, if you are using this thermostat as a programmable thermostat and want to use the hold function, long will hold that hold indefinitely. If you put it on 24 hours, your hold will only hold for 24 hours. In most cases, you'll leave this on long. Next, you have an adjustment limit. 0 is off. You can select 1, 2, or 3 degrees as your adjustment limit. What this means is you can only deviate from your set point 1, 2, or 3 degrees based on what you have set as your adjustment limit. 0, you can deviate any amount from your set point. Next, you have the temporary program override of 4 hours. If at any time you override your program, the thermostat will revert back to your program in 4 hours, or you can make a change of 1, 2, or 3 hours that the thermostat will revert back to your original program. The thermostat will also revert back to your program at the next time change in your program, whichever comes first. Here is where you can set your 3-digit lock code if you want to lock the thermostat. For this example, I'll set a lock code of 123. I'll use the speed bar to adjust the first digit. I'll hit next. I'll use the speed bar to adjust the second digit. I'll hit next. And I'll use the speed bar to adjust the third digit, and I'll hit next. Now your thermostat is ready to be locked with the code of 123. The final user option is on beep or off beep, which basically just turns off the audible tone that you hear when pressing the touch pads on the thermostat. You can go back at any time and make changes to user options or forward with the next key, and at any time you can exit with the return button. At this point, your user options are set. Now, you might not see all the user options that were presented in this video, depending on how your thermostat was configured. For example, if your installer configured your thermostat to be non-programmable, then there are certain user options that would not be presented in this menu. So please see your user manual for a complete listing of all the user options and a further description on what they do.